Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I felt like a touch of sparkle. I've gotten my IPSY Glam box in the mail and I was so excited. There were so many nice products, a full set of brushes, powder, 2 eye palettes. So I just went a little crazy, mostly because I was feeling down. I think wearing a mask has gotten to all of us as far as skin is concerned. So let's get started and moisturize those under eyes with Filorga Oxygen Glow. This was so beautiful, very moisturizing and a little bit light reflecting. And then for my T-zone, we don't want it shiny but still hydrated, I'm going to use the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. I love pressing these type of primers into the skin rather than just sliding it around. So just gently massage it and press it in to cover the pores and take away that shine. For foundation today, I wanted something with a little bit more coverage to take care of that acne, but at the same time I wanted to look creamy and flawless and glowy. I got a little bit carried away. It's not my style, but like I said, those acne spots really gotten to me. So I'm going to try to buff this foundation fully into my skin until it just completely melts and looks seamless. It's a beautiful foundation and it has a powerful coverage. So I'm just gonna work with it until I feel that it looks natural and it has covered all my blemishes. For the under eye, I'm going with BECCA Aqua Luminous Concealer because it's one of the most hydrating concealers I've come across. And I made an entire video about my favorite concealers. Go ahead, take a peek. But this right now seems to be one of the best. It's covering but also very, very hydrating. So just press that in with a beauty sponge. I felt that if I kept touching my face with my hand, it's just gonna get worse and worse. So now again from the IPSY Glam Bag, this beautiful, it's called Extraordinary Translucent Powder by CIATE. It was amazing. It was barely their powder. All it did was set my foundation and concealer and just gave me this veil of matte but at the same time a little silky, so it was perfect for under the eye as well. I'm gonna try to warm up my skin. I've stayed away from the sun this summer. I don't think any of us have gone to the beach as often as we used to, so I'm pretty pale. I'm gonna go ahead and use whatever I have left for my BECCA bronzer with this soft beautiful brush that again came in my IPSY Glam Bag, and pretty much just bronze my face. And let's give it a little glow because you know me, glow and I are best friends. The Hourglass made the perfect match for today's look. Illuminati Quad palette that was in the box as well. I couldn't help it. You know how much I love neutral, warm tones, and I thought this was perfect for fall. So I'm just gonna take the first lightest shade and just kind of swipe it all over my eyes, but at the same time just elongate a little bit towards the end, the outer corner, just to create more of an almond shape. Then I'm just going to concentrate the pigment of the darkest brown in the center, and no worries, we'll take a blending brush and just blend away until we're satisfied. Take a blending brush and go ahead into the crease, and then again I'm going to elongate the shape into the almond shape until the desired color and texture. Just keep at it, no worries. I'm going to take the same color and go underneath the lashes, and then of course I couldn't stop there and I dipped my fingers into the glitter. It's beautiful, this copper, perfect for fall, and it just brought me joy. Then I wanted sort of a sunset kind of look, so I went ahead and I topped it with a gold, and it was perfect. Made me happy. Don't ask me where I went afterwards, probably to the grocery store, but who cares? Again from the bag, the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. This is quite an intense mascara. I loved it. And to top it all, I just used this neutral, barely there, Your Lips But Better lipstick. I didn't bring any blushes with me, and so I decided to just kiss my lips and give me a little color. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is well and safe, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to check out my Instagram as well as IPSY. They have a lot of surprises.